After DCM finds data gaps, we can fix them with the DCM Content Planner, a visual tool based on your blueprints. In the Content Planner, the blueprint forms the background layer, with actual data records, like business applications, positioned on top. Running the preview here provides results similar to those obtained during an audit. For example, the Customer Portal business application is currently missing a CI relationship and a few mandatory attributes. You can quickly search for records and then drag and drop them from the record list onto the relevant classes within the blueprint. The background blueprint automatically defines the relationships and required details for these records, so you won't have to manage that manually. You can also update the attributes of any records directly within the Content Planner. For security and control, none of the changes made so far have affected your actual records. The Content Planner stores changes in a staging area. Once the dataset has been successfully previewed, everything is committed at once. User roles and permissions are validated before any changes are allowed to be committed. The Customer Portal application was updated with new attribute values, and new CI relationships were created according to the blueprint. With Data Content Planner, data providers can quickly fix data quality issues and avoid mistakes while updating the records they are responsible for. If data quality is a priority, you're in the right place. Data Content Manager can significantly improve your data in ServiceNow. Schedule a demo and see how.